Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and most importantly, are we now going to continue to cool off for coming days, at least until the split? We'll take a look at all of that in this video. And if you have seen this video of mine yesterday that I was talking about Nvidia stock, tomorrow some sell-off, that is for today, right? So this video was yesterday, right? So yeah, this is something sell-off I was expecting. Well, I wasn't expecting this out of the blue. Price action was showing me that, and that's what I was talking about it in that video. So if you have seen that already, you already know the reasoning these sell-offs are happening due to those technical reasons. But let's jump right into it. I'll still cover everything. I'll show you around as well overall market how it's doing today. And so with that, guys, let's begin. Once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Okay. So here we are with Nvidia, a red candle up here on the top. So is this the beginning of the cool off? Guys, look. Possibly, we'll take a look at hourly interval in just a second, lower time frames, and that is fine. You gotta take the profits and the extensions, and just like my swing bot. So if I show you my swing bot, and you can see that my swing bot gave so many partial profits positions already up here, and the buy position was down here at 948. So you can see the data here right on the table. It's already in profits. I mean, again, there are red trades as well. Okay, not hiding any of that. It's just all about coming out net profitable. But yeah, you can see the things here: open PNL, close PNL on the current position, partial profits, right? And then still the position is running. But anyways, I think it's gonna be closed soon as well by the bot. But we'll see when it does that. Anyways, so just want to show you that. If you need access to my tools, links on the description below. Okay, now let's go to the hourly interval. But before that, I just wanna set something up here with you guys. Is that just to let you know that, guys, yeah, this cool off will not make the structure bearish. The structure can remain bullish for quite some time on this thing, all in all. But yes, this, I think this may result into some cool offs. But let's take a look at what are those levels, and is this cool off, until where can it come, and until where this structure will still hold bullish and all of that. So we are on the hourly interval, and what am I seeing on the hourly interval is that we are running into this now distribution phase. 1150 is acting as a distribution phase. Confirmation of this particular distribution phase is break below $1,124. So yeah, intraday cool off, a sell off that is coming as I expected today is coming due to that as well. Technicals are confirming that as well. Like for example, if we go to the 5 minutes, when you see the price action consolidating at these areas of like our where we go, yeah, at our day trading levels plus these orange lines, you see so many rejections happening. And then once we start to lose levels like 1150 and so forth, you see we came back down to our one of the next day trading levels plus. I can see it's trying to get bought back up over there. We will see how much strength it will carry through there. But intraday, I mean, if any weakness has to continue, it has to it has to stay below 1140, and then if it continue to lose 1130, that may just bring some downside. But Nvidia is so strong that if you want to trade it downside, only do it during the intraday. Don't swing short it. This thing is going to blow you up. But yeah, the full all in all structure, little bit more structure break or weakness, that maybe for tomorrow has to be below 1124. You are watching that level together with this 50 hours moving average. So it's not that, yeah, it's just sell off and it's just gonna keep going lower and lower and lower from here. No, it's still technically in the bullish structure. Is intraday cool offs are coming, some weakness is coming, and that is fine. Even if it cools off to 1085, that's just a cool off on this thing. It's nothing more than that. But yeah, intradays, these type of level breaks, as I gave you the levels, the areas, these cool offs can be traded to the downside. Okay. And anyways, whichever direction you take, you'll have a stop loss on the other side anyways of the levels. So That's that. But yeah, more weakness if we break 1124 and 50 hours moving average. Yeah. So yeah, I do expect, there's a likelihood that cool off may continue, but if we fail to break those levels like 1024 and so, which are showing on intraday levels, and we stay up here, then this thing can, slowly and slowly make its way up. So yeah, all right. That's Nvidia. Let's take a look at, I'll just show you AMD as well real quick. I'll do another video as well on this, but if this thing is red but trying to hold up a 50 days moving average, if you have been seeing my AMD videos since the weekend, I have been saying, guys, expect this thing to stay choppy here, and we are staying choppy, right? And this is not the first time on AMD I have talked about these things. I mean, there was a time here, and I said that, and guys, I'm not saying that I said that and things happens. No, I'm just reading the price action, all right, and just trying to be most probable based off of experience what stocks may do. I said that this may just remain sideways or gonna keep going down. Chop, you can go and see my videos back then, and that's all what we got there as well. All right, but anyways, let's actually go to sorry, I think yeah, over here as well I said that, but anyways, I'm not here to tell you that what I said. Okay, it's about learning the price action. Okay, so that's AMD. Let's actually go to SMCI as well. And so SMCI, as you already know, we are in the short play already. Yeah, and I plan on, if you have seen my yesterday video, you already know it. Even before that, you already know it. This was the area of breakout structure I was wanting to play to the downside. And yeah, so I'm going to take partial profits as, some moves keeps happening at these levels. And, I'm just going to keep holding. But yeah, structure is looking weak on this and it can continue down. I know this video is not for Tesla, but I just want to, Tesla did go up today, 182 tapped out there. It's selling off now. I'll do another video on Tesla. But yeah, that was, yeah. Um, I hope that by the end of the day, it's back up again. But as I said, I'll talk about it in another video. All right, let's take a look at QQ and SPY. So yeah, so it seems like QQ is now broke that level of 454, and yeah, with the break of that level, next level is 451, and yeah, this thing, if it wants to cool off, can cool off down to 20 days moving average and 448 and 449. That's the direction it can go to, and so that bearish candle is acted finally, and that next short play confirmation was below 454 as per my last analysis that I did on this. And so yeah, this is, but in the overall picture, this is for now just a pullback. I will be more worried because there's a previous support sitting right over here. If we lose 449 and 448, then expect much more deeper downside on this. And yeah, that will be the breakout structure. Even this can be argued that there's already some weakness building into it at 454. And but yeah, so that was it. If you had long position, this was the area 454. You should, well, you need to take profits in the extension, but more positions should be taken out at 454 as well. This is the time now. Pullback can continue, and then we'll see if the price action holds down here. Then maybe some intraday push can come up. Then we'll have to see if it rejects the new resistance level, right? And then we head lower. We'll see. But yeah, this thing is looking like it's gonna cool off, and yeah, this is now turning into a deeper pullback, and then structure break fully is at 449 as well. And accordingly, you can trade intraday or swing, however you like. SPY. Yeah, so SPY was already looking weaker from this red candle. It failed to go much higher, right? And now that was it, right? Yeah, once we lost this level of 527, that was the weakness. And then this was the level I was talking about as well, 524. Losing this is a downside game. Now the thing is that it's at 20 days moving average. If it holds here and gets above 524, this thing can try to go up. But if it breaks 20 days moving average gaps lower, there's a room it can come down to 518. Yeah, and if we lose 518, then there's much more downside to go. But yeah, this is as for at least where the price action is right now, as you already know, this was becoming a distribution phase, and losing this level of 524 confirms that upon the top distribution phase, unless we recapture it, and then that would be like this downside move is negated, right? Because but technically, as I was saying, I would constitute this pullback until the level of 524 because that's where the structure was. But yeah, below this, it's a break of structure already. And let's see if we continue lower or we try to recapture it. But yeah, this is the pivotal area on SPY. All right, guys, that's it for this video. And with that, yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.